Okay, tonight, since we are in Mexico for a wedding, I'm wearing a color I never wear. Pink with flowers. So we're gonna do pink eyeshadow, definitely more of a brighter blush. So let's get started. Okay, so usually I use like a warm brown for all my contouring in my lid, but that's where I'm gonna start with the pinks, and then we're gonna use probably darker pinks and smoke it out with even some brown. Okay, I seriously found the perfect mascara for eyelashes, and I've tried a lot of different brands. This one's from Walgreens and literally one of my favorites. Curling your lashes obviously makes a huge difference, and then I do use the Jane Iredale primer. I feel like that helps lengthen them before you put the mascara on, so I've been doing that, which I haven't always done. And then this is it, the telescopic. I don't know what it is. It makes your lashes not clump at all. So I try to wiggle it, and then I spin the wand. And then I try to push the outer lashes out. And then you work your way in, pushing the closest ones towards your nose. And this is layer 1. And then I want to go in and do one more layer. And I am putting lashes on tonight, but I still do this even when I'm doing lashes, because I don't always like to use the full strip of the lashes, so the lashes that do show need to look good. For my lashes tonight, I'm doing the Kiss Shy. Now these are a lot fuller than the other ones that I've used. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them not in half. I'm gonna go a little more than halfway. So for this, it's starting right here. I usually try to avoid putting a strip that starts at the beginning. I think it looks a little more natural on the eye. And then these, because they're so fluffy, I'm gonna just kind of debulk them a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my scissors and go completely parallel with the lash and just cut out some of the lashes to thin it out. Also, this tool has been the greatest tool when putting on my lashes. I used to use tweezers. I bought it with one of the Kiss eyebrow packs on Amazon. And I don't really use those eyelashes anymore, but it's the only one that comes with this little thing. And I think it's so good because it's already curved. Excuse me. I think because it's curved so it fits the eyelid and it covers more ground of the lash. Okay, so tonight I'm gonna use the Rough Rider clay to kind of push all the hair back. I don't want it too much of a wet look, but I do want everything off my face and flowing backwards. So we're gonna use a little bit of the Rough Rider. I'll put some in a little travel thing. Put it on the palm. Really good. Now we're just gonna wiggle everything through. I am keeping the part. I don't want everything back from the middle. Okay. We're gonna go in with the session spray, kind of how we worked it in last night. You're gonna spray it, comb it in, spray it, comb it in. I'm using my fingernails to kind of create some texture in it too. You can kind of see. I want these little flippies. Pardon me. He's a little like a 80-year-old rich yacht owner. Oh gosh. I gotta see the whole look.